do the unboxing. Unboxing my 1 and 2. Let's do the first one. That's the first one. Pahinga muna to ako sa Jordan. And the second one. Sorry, I still have a cup. Thank you, Daddy. Kasi nagkasakit daw po ako ng 2 weeks. So, that 2 weeks paid 2 rubber shoes. Actually, when I was just younger, ano na ako sa addict na ako sa mga rubber shoes. As in, collection. Before, lagi ako tinatanong kung anong gusto ko pasalubong na nasa mga bro. I always tell them, no, makita ko lang kayo, masaya na ako. But then they always say, oh, dapat meron ka pasalubong, whatever you want. So, I always say, size 6. So, every time na may balik-bayan, meron ako size 6. Meron ako rubber shoes. So, I collect rubber shoes before. Mata pa ako nagko-collect ako ng rubber shoes. Now, daddy ko nagko-collect para sa akin. And it happened, gusto na Jordan. But then, this time, Nike muna. Kasi hindi maganda yung mga designs nila ngayon. And I like this one. Latest. It's the latest one. So, thank you, Daddy. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Oh, this is an Air Max. Thank you for watching.